What up, guys? This is Pastor Can again. We're coming out with another video tonight, and we're going to be doing this cool effect, this cool text shadow. If I hover, that cool shadow comes up, with different colors, and we're going to accomplish that tonight with CSS, HTML, a tag H1, and then CSS style. That's it. All right, I'm ready to go. So I have my text editor ready to go, my HTML file. Let's go back right here, bang, right there. So let's start, and we're going to start with H1 element or header, and we're going to say hello. Going to save that, and we're going to say color, and I already have a color picked over here, and that's going to be um, let's see the color that I have picked. That's going to be a D70 D6 semicolon. Let's save it, and let's go back. Oh no, what I'm doing, where's my H1? Sorry for that. Let's copy this, cut this up, and just put it inside our HTML. Cool. Let's save it. Let's go back, and boom, let's go back over here. We have hello. Okay, cool. So that's working good so far. Let's go back to text editor right here, and then we're going to do the following. We're going to do font size. Font size right here, we're going to do 15 RAM, and then we're going to do text align. We're going to do center. Then we're going to do font family. We got it right there, and we're going to say sans serif, which is right there, semicolon. Then we're going to do the text shadow, and then right here we're going to have 10 pixels. We're going to have 10 pixels, and then we're going to, for the blurry, we're going to say 0 pixels, and then I have a color, and it's 07 BCCC, comma, and we're going to add more colors. So we're going to do 15 pixels, then we're going to have 15 pixels, and then 0 pixels, and then color we got 06, I mean as is E0601C0 semicolon, comma, no, I mean comma, no semicolon, comma, and then go back. So why is red? So why is not liking it? Let's see, 3, 6, yeah, there's too many. So it's only supposed to be 6 letters, 6 characters right here, and there's 7, so there's too much right here. What did I do? What did I add? So let's see, yeah, there is an extra 0 right there, so we shouldn't be there. Okay, then we do 20 pixels, then we do 20 pixels again, and then we do 0 pixels, and color we got 00 FF 00. Let's go back again. Then we got 25 pixels, we got 25 pixels, we got 0 pixel right here again, and for the color we're going to do F4 0468 semicolon. So let's see what is not liking it. Oh yeah, I'm doing semicolons, comma. We got more comma right here. See, we got mistakes. We're doing this alive. Let's go back again. We got 45 pixels. I'm so used to using semicolons all the time. Yeah. Then 10 pixels, and then we have the number sign. Then we have 48. We got 2896, and we should finish there. Cool beans. And then, so let's see what we have. Let's save it, and let's go back and check it. Refresh it. Boom. Yeah, we have the effects that we wanted, right? But now when we hover, it's supposed to give us that text shadow, which is not right now. Okay, let's go back to our text file. Now we gotta do H1 column. We're going to say hover, and then right here we're going to say text shadow, and we're going to say none. Let's save it, and let's go back and check it, and let's refresh our browser. Pan is there. I don't like it because it's just too quick, right? It's gotta be a smooth transition right there. So let's go back, and right here let's add some transition. We're going to say all. We're going to do 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds, semicolon. Let's save it, and let's go back and refresh it. Yeah, I already did it. Pan. That worked. Alright guys, that was all the video for tonight. So hopefully you guys liked it. It was a pretty quick, HTMLs, CSS, animations, just basics. So yeah, hopefully you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Alright, have a good night, and I will see you next. Bye.